Hello friends, today we are going to solve problem number 1. In a problem of admission, we are always given the balance sheet and the adjustments. And from these balance sheet and adjustments, we are supposed to prepare certain accounts which are given at the bottom of the sum. Now let us see who are the partners. We are having two partners, Vikram and Pradna, and they are sharing in the ratio of 2:3. The balance sheet is given on 31st March 2018. So on the liability side, we have creditors and capitals of Vikram and Pradna. On the asset side, we are having cash, land and building, plant, furniture, stock and debtors. Now, they have decided to admit Avni as a partner on 1st April 2018 on the following terms. So the terms are, number one is Avni shall have 1/4 share in future profit. Then he shall bring 37,500 as capital and 30,000 as share of goodwill. Land and building is to be valued at 45,000. Furniture is to be depreciated by 10%. Provision for bad and doubtful debts is to be maintained at 5% on debtors. And stock is to be valued at 82,500. So these are the 5 adjustments, and on the basis of this 5 adjustment, and one more adjustment is there, the capital account of all the partners to be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio, and the excess amount is transferred to the loan accounts. Okay, so prepare profit and loss adjustment account, capital account, and new balance sheet. So this is given to us in the problem. Now, before solving the sum, we will confirm that these are the steps that we have to follow for solving the problem. First, we have to open the accounts. Then we have to transfer the balance sheet items. So we'll open the accounts in our solution. Then we'll transfer these items of balance sheet, liability side and asset side. Then revalue the assets and liabilities. So from the given adjustment number 3, adjustment number 4, and adjustment number 5, they are related to revaluation of assets and liabilities. Then we'll close the revaluation account. Then recording of new partners capital, that is adjustment number 2, the first part, 37,500. And then treatment of goodwill. So that is again our adjustment number 2, that 30,000 is brought by way of goodwill. Then we will close the capital account, close cash and account, and close balance sheet. So these are the steps that we have to follow while solving the sum. So let us solve the sum. Now we are told to open profit and loss adjustment account. We are told to open partners capital account. So we are having 2 old partners and 1 new partner. So we'll be making 3 columns on the debit side and 3 columns on the credit side. The same way, we are going to open the new balance sheet after the admission of Avni. So we are having now 3 partners, Vikram, Pradna and Avni. And the balance sheet will be on 1st April 2018. So in the books of the firm, we'll be having profit and loss adjustment account, we'll be having partners capital account, and we'll be having a new balance sheet on 1st April 2018. And on the other hand, we'll be preparing working notes for the cash, receipts of cash and payments of cash. We'll be preparing the working note for goodwill. We'll be preparing working note for calculation of new ratio that we need in this particular sum, and we require calculation of capital of partners because we are told to adjust the capital of the partners. Okay, so let us proceed as per the sum. Now we are told open the following account, so that is already completed. Number 2, transfer the balance sheet items. So we'll see the liability side. Liability side, we are having creditors. So in our solution, we are having balance sheet. So creditors will record 1,05,000 directly in the outer column because there is no adjustment. So in the new balance sheet, we are going to write the creditors 1,05,000. Okay. And then we are given the capital of Vikram and Pradna. So in our solution, we are having capital accounts, capital account of Vikram and capital account of Pradna. So we'll be showing opening balance by balance brought down 75,000 for both the partners. So according to our second step, the liability side is over. Now we'll see the asset side. On asset side, we are having cash 7,500. So we are having working note, cash account, debit side 7,500, to balance brought down. Okay. Then we are having land and building 37,500. So in the balance sheet, in the inner column, we'll write 37,500 because there is an adjustment. Then we are having a plant 45,000. So 45,000 plant, again we'll be writing to outer column because there is no adjustment. If you are writing in the inner column, it is okay. Afterward, if there is no adjustment, you can cast to the outer column. You can just put dash and then cast to the outer column. Same way, we are having furniture. Okay, furniture is 3,000. So we'll write the furniture inner column, again 3,000. Then we are having stock 75,000. So stock is 75,000. So we'll write here 75,000 again in the balance sheet inner column. Okay, and then debtors 87,000. So we'll write the debtors 87,000. Okay, now see, as per our steps, open the following account that we have completed, transfer the balance sheet items that is completed. Now revalue the assets and liabilities. So from this we have to see adjustment number 1, 2 we have to ignore now. Adjustment number 3, land and building to be valued at 45,000. So what is the value of land and building? 37,500. So now the new value is 45,000. So there is an appreciation of 7,500. So that 7,500 will be writing on the credit side of profit and loss adjustment account. 7,500 is an appreciation. That's the profit. Okay. So that we will show on the credit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Same way, we are given furniture is to be depreciated by 10%. So we will see the furniture in the balance sheet 3,000, 10% depreciation is 300. So we'll write subtract 300. So outer column we will have a new furniture 2,700, and this 300 is a loss to the business. So on the debit side we'll write to furniture account in the profit and loss adjustment account. Then adjustment number 4, provision for bad and doubtful debts is to be maintained at 5% of the debtors. So let us refer to the balance sheet and refer to the debtors. We are having 87,000. 5% is 4,350. So that we are subtracting 4,350. So in outer column we will be having 82,650. And second effect will give here to the profit and loss adjustment account because there is a loss on the debit side. We are having 4,350. Okay. Now our adjustment number 3 and 4 is over. Adjustment number 5. Stock is to be valued at 82,500. So now again we'll refer to the stock here. Stock is 75,000, add appreciation 7,500 as told to us. So we are adding 7,500. So our total is 82,500 and 7,500 is a profit. So we are writing on the credit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Okay. So adjustment number 3, 4 and 5 is over. Close. Now revalue the assets and liabilities over. So close the revaluation account. So let us close the revaluation account. The credit side total is 15,000. Okay. And the debit side total is 4,650. So the credit side total is more as compared to the debit side. So the difference, that is the credit difference, will appear on the debit side. 10,350 is the difference, that is a revaluation profit because credit side is more than debit side. And this profit we are going to distribute among the partners in the old ratio, that is 3:, let us see what is the ratio here. The ratio is 2:3. Okay. So we are going to distribute this in the ratio 2:3, that is 4,140 and 6,210. So that is the distribution of profit to Vikram and Pradna only to the old partners in the old ratio. So we are going to credit here the Vikram account by 4,140 and Pradna account by 6,210. Okay. So that is what we have completed, and here it is given revaluation profit. Then after that, recording of new partners capital. So we'll see that Avni shall have 1/4 share and he brings 37,500. So we have to pass entry for this. So first in the cash and bank account, Avni capital account 37,500, and second effect in the Avni's capital account on credit side by cash account 37,500. Okay, so that is the entry that we have passed for the capital that is brought by the new partner. And then we'll see treatment of goodwill in this sum. Now we have to see the treatment. For treatment, we are only told that Avni brings 30,000 as share of goodwill. Then the problem is silent. It means which treatment it is? It is a premium method. Avni is asked to bring 30,000. So first we'll pass the entry for bringing cash. 30,000 Avni is bringing. So 30,000 cash account debit to goodwill account. So here also in goodwill account by cash account. So this is the first entry. And after that, this goodwill is to be distributed among the old partners in this sacrifice ratio. So here the sacrifice ratio is a old ratio only, because we are not given any other ratio, and we are not told that there is some difference in sacrifice. So always assume that old ratio is a sacrifice ratio. So in the 2:3 ratio, we are going to sacrifice this goodwill. Okay, that goodwill account is debited and partners account is credited. So let me credit the partners capital account. Vikram is 12,000 and Pradnya is 18,000. So here we have credited the account of the partners. Okay. Now, next, here recording of new partners capital, treatment of goodwill. Okay. So treatment of goodwill is done. Now close partners capital account. Now let us see. So here see already the profit and loss adjustment account is over. Now goodwill account is also already over. 30,000 on the debit side and 30,000 on the credit side. Okay. So they are closed whenever the treatment is done. Okay. Now in our problem, before we close, we are told that the capital of all the partners should be adjusted in new profit sharing ratio, and the excess amount is transferred to their loan account. So now we require two things. One is the new ratio. So let us calculate the new ratio. What is the new ratio? Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. New ratio is old ratio into balance share. Okay. Now what is the share given to the new partner? 1/4 is given. Okay. So what is left out? 3/4 is left out. So the old ratio of Vikram is 2/5 and Pradnya is 3/5 and the balance share is 3/4. So we will get for Vikram 6/20, for Pradnya 9/20, and Avni's share is 1/4. So we'll multiply with 5/5. So we'll get the common denominator. So 5/20. So the new ratio is 695. Okay. Now why we want this new ratio? Because we want to adjust the capital. Now how to calculate the capital of the partners? So first calculation of capital of partners. This is again a working note. Total capital of the firm is reciprocal of new partner's share into new partner's capital. So reciprocal of new partner's share is 1/4. So reciprocal is 4. And new partner is asked to bring 37,500. So 37,500. So the total capital is 1,50,000. Now according to the profit sharing ratio, 1,50,000 is multiplied and divided by the ratios 6/20, 9/20, 5/20. So we'll get the new capital 45,000, 67,500, 37,500. So first we will write this capital here in the partners capital account. 45,000 closing balance for Vikram, 67,500 closing balance for Pradnya, 37,500 closing balance for Avni. And the same we are going to write in the balance sheet also for Vikram, again for Pradnya and for Avni, and the total capital is 1,50,000 as we have decided. Okay. Now we'll close the partners capital account. Avni's capital 37,500 on the credit side and Debit side also 37,500. So there is no change here. Now for Pragna, the credit side is heavy, 99,210. From that, we are going to subtract 67,500. So the difference is 31,710, that is transferred to partner's loan account. Same way for Vikram, the credit side is heavy. So the credit side is total is 91,140, and from that we are going to subtract 45,000. So what is left out is 46,140. So again that is also transferred to loan account. So this is the surplus capital of Vikram and Prajna. We should have written it, but here we are told in the problem that it is to be transferred to the partner's loan account. So now we'll open new account, partner's loan account for Vikram, 46,140, and for Prajna 31,710. So the total is 77,850. Okay. So in our solution, already the profit and loss adjustment account is closed. Then partner's capital account is closed. Then here we have closed the, now cash and bank account. What is the total of the debit side? 75,000. And on credit side, balance carried down is 75,000. So that 75,000 we will write in the balance sheet on the asset side, cash. Okay. So the cash account is also over, goodwill account is also over. So let us refer to the steps one by one. Open the following accounts, transfer the balance sheet items, revalue the assets and liabilities, close the revaluation account, recording of the partner's capital, treatment of goodwill, close partner's capital account. Here we have done the adjustment of capital, close cash and bank account, and close the balance sheet. So now we'll proceed to close the balance sheet. So in the balance sheet, on debit side, the total is 3,32,850, and on the credit side also, the total is 3,32,850. So which are the important points in this sum? There are two important points in this sum. Goodwill is a premium method. Goodwill is brought in cash and it is retained in business, because whatever amount is brought, that is not withdrawn by the partners. Okay, that's the one point. And the second point is adjustment of partners' capital on the basis of new partners' capital. So these are the two important points that you have to learn. Okay, thank you.